This is much healthier than a regular one. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making healthy baked veggie frittata. Using any vegetables you have on hand, freshly cooked or sautéed leftovers, this dish is a healthier alternative to traditional frittatas as it's baked, not fried. It's an ideal choice for an easy breakfast, snack or dinner. These are the ingredients I used and the measurements are in the description below. However, you can add any vegetables you wish in flexible proportions. Sauté the onion and bacon in a pan over medium heat until they're nicely browned. For a vegetarian version, you can omit the bacon. Stir in the spinach and let it wilt. I used frozen spinach for convenience, but fresh or any other green vegetables will work fine. Add the mushrooms towards the end as you don't want to overcook them. They just need to be slightly cooked as they will continue to cook in the oven. Season everything with a pinch of salt. Transfer the cooked vegetables to a large bowl and allow them to cool to room temperature. We don't want the eggs to cook with the heat from the vegetables. Once cold, fold in the grated cheese and season with some black pepper. Combine with the beaten egg, ensuring they're evenly mixed. Usually, Parmesan cheese is a great choice for adding flavour, but if you're considering different cheeses, think about the vegetables you're using. Stronger cheeses like cheddar, Gruyere or pecorino work well with robust veggies like mushrooms or broccoli. For lighter vegetables such as zucchini, carrots or green beans, go for milder cheeses like mozzarella, caciocavallo or provola. Place the silicone cupcake molds into a muffin pan to ensure they stay stable while putting them in or taking them out of the oven. Spoon the egg mixture into each 12 silicone cupcake mold, filling them evenly. If you don't have silicone molds, a regular bread loaf tin will do. Just coat it with olive oil and breadcrumbs for easy release, and you can serve the frittata in individual slices. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, for about 30 minutes, or until the frittatas are set and golden brown on top. These are the perfect breakfast for a lazy Sunday morning, with low calorie content and high in proteins. In Italy, we don't have eggs for breakfast, so this baked frittata recipe would be served as a delightful snack or a light dinner. Because it's baked in silicone cupcake molds, kids can quickly grab one for a healthy afternoon snack if they're hungry. They're also convenient to pack for lunch boxes or picnics. If you want to know what Italians have for breakfast, check out the playlist above. Discover our Italian mug collection with QR codes for easy access to your guardian chef's recipes. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm Italian, but I could have these for breakfast. No problema.